Chennai Super Kings is on the bottom of the table and Sunrisers Hyderabad are right above them. Both the teams are struggling to find winning ways, and this game is an opportunity for both the teams to repair the bad start that they have had so far. The two teams have played 12 games, with Chennai having the advantage of 9 wins. The return of a few players will likely impact this game, and here is our Fantasy 11 prediction for this game. Johnny Bairstow. The destructive English opener Johnny Bairstow has already made his mark this season. He has scored 119 runs in just 3 games with a best score of 61 and thus looks to be in good touch. He will be looking to score more runs at the same pace this game in order to give Sunrisers a good start in the power play. He thus makes our first pick. David Warner. David Warner has yet to make an impact this season. The leader of Sunrisers Hyderabad has the ability to strike the ball a long way and will be a crucial player in this game. He will also be looking to make it big with his explosive batting, thus making him our second pick. Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson has always been a dependable batsman for Sunrisers. He has the ability to play crucial knocks under pressure for his team and will look to do so the same this game. He is a good player of spin bowling and will look to capitalize on the two spinners of CSK. This game would also be an opportunity for Kane Williamson to continue the form that he was in last season. This also makes him our vice-captain of the 11. Ambati Rayudu. The return of Ambati Rayudu stabilizes the CSK side a little. The middle order was all over the place with the absence of this man. He played a massive knock of 71 in the only match that he has played so far and has been a key run getter for CSK ever since he joined the squad. He will look to continue from where he left off before he got injured to make sure that CSK are back in running on winning ways. Faf du Plessis. The South African bombshell Faf du Plessis has been the highest run getter for CSK this season. He is the contender for the orange cap by scoring 173 runs in just 3 games with an average of 86.5. He will be looking to close the gap between him and KL Rahul for the same and will be a key batsman for Chennai in this game. His vast experience in this format and the form that he is in this season also makes him our captain for this game. Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja has played a crucial role in CSK's massive success over the years because of his ability to contain runs in the middle overs. This season, however, he has been more expensive and he will be looking to bounce back with a stunning performance. He has over 100 wickets to his name in the IPL and has the experience to play under pressure. If he gets into good rhythm this game, he will be unstoppable. Sam Curran. Sam Curran has been one of the leading wicket takers for CSK and is one of the contenders for the purple cap with 5 wickets to his name already. He has played some fast-paced cameos down the order and will be a player to watch out for with his left-arm pace bowling and with his big hitting skills. He would still be preferred over the now available Dwayne Bravo as he has been promising this season. Khalil Ahmed. Khalil Ahmed has been expensive in the 2 games that he has played this season but has also taken 2 wickets. He would be looking at this match as an opportunity to get back into the form that he was in last season and be threatening with his medium-paced bowling. This thus increases the possibility of him getting some points to his name in this game. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan is a crucial wicket taker for Sunrisers Hyderabad. With 4 wickets to his name already, he would be looking to get more to get into the purple cap race with his brilliant leg spinners. He has an economy rate of just 5.83 this season so far and he will be looking to keep up this form in this game. He will be looking to bowl to some of the CSK batsmen who are struggling against spin bowling this season. Piyush Chawla. Piyush Chawla has been a wicket-taking bowler in the past. He has been expensive this season and looks to have lost his touch. He still has taken 4 wickets this season so far, which just gives a glimpse of him on his best day. With a good break since the last game, he will be looking to bounce back with a low economy rate and with some wickets to his name. He thus will be a player to watch out for in this game. Deepak Chahar. Deepak Chahar has been in decent form this season. With 3 wickets to his name and an economy rate of just 7.7, he looks to be promising leading into this game. He has the ability to take wickets in the power play overs, and dismissing big guns of SRH in the power play will definitely help Chennai Super Kings. He is thus our final pick of this match. Here are our 11 picks who we feel have the potential to win the game for their respective teams with their performance. Who do you think will be the most valuable player this game? Let us know down below.